everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Target employee account quick and easy. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. In order to log into Target employee account, click open any web browser you want and in the search box type in Target employee login and press the enter on your keyboard. From the search results displayed, click on the first link that you see that says Target Team Member Services. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. This is an online service for Target team members or employees to do their job, including workday, bullseye shop, and pay benefits. If you'd like to log into your account, go and click on the sign in button at the upper right corner, which will bring out an expanded menu. Click on the sign in option at the top. On the next page, you'll be able to see a login portal for your account. Start by typing in your email address or your phone number associated with the account. Now, head over to the next box and type in your password for your account. If you'd like to double check your password, click on the show link and you'll be able to reveal your password before moving on. Once you type in your credentials, you can easily click on the sign in button to continue, but in case you've forgotten your password, you can click on this forgot password link right below the sign in box and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you'd like to stay signed in with your email or your phone number into the system, click on keep me signed in. But if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to unclick the box and leave it unchecked. Always use the Keep Me Signed In option if you are on your personal devices. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by clicking on Create Your Target Account and register yourself to a new account. Once you're done typing in all the credentials, click Sign In order to log into your Target employee account. That is all for today. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes like this. Thank you for watching.